Good morning, students. I think so everyone is ready with your books. Everyone has enjoyed your puja. Yes or no? Everyone has enjoyed a lot in your puja. So, now let's come back to our studies. So, today, students, I will start a new chapter, that is your chapter number 6. So, in your chapter number 6, you will get about basics of small basic. Okay, basics of small basic. But before starting this new chapter, I think so everyone knows the concept of basic. So, what is the full form of basic? The full form of basic is your beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Is not it? What is the full form of basic? Beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. So here students, in this chapter we will get here more about basic commands. Okay. In your primary classes you have got basic. Is not it? You have got basic. Now in class 6, in your standard 6, you will get to know more about basics, more functions about your basic. So here students, now come to the first paragraph. Microsoft Small Basic has been developed. Microsoft Small Basic has been developed by Microsoft Corporation. So here you can say that this basic was developed by whom? It was developed by your Microsoft Corporation. It is one of the companies. Okay, it is one of the companies who has given the invention, or who has developed this program, who has developed this Microsoft Small Basic. Clear this much? It is one of the many versions of basic. Basic stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. As I have said you before starting of this chapter, I have given you the full form of your basic. It has a user-friendly screen and is meant to teach programming to beginners. So this basic programming is basically used by your beginners. Beginners means who are using this for the first time. Okay, who are using this for the first time. They are the beginners. Okay, in computer they are the beginners. The language is simple and easy to learn, helping you in creating some simple programs. So this basic is a very simple programming language, which is very helpful as well as very you can say easy for the users who are using for the first time. Okay, who are using for the first time, it is very easy to handle for them. Clear? Then you come to the second paragraph. A program is a set of instructions written for the computer to perform a particular task. So here what do you mean by program? Because as I have said to you that here basic is your programming language. Now when I am saying about a programming language, then you may ask to me, what do you mean by program? So you can say that your program are your set of instructions that a computer, you can say after understanding here, the computer will give you the output. Okay. Here you can say program are the set of instructions written for the computer to perform a particular task. Clear? I think so everyone has understood program. So what is the program? You can say program are the set of instructions written for the computer to perform a particular task. A program is also called a piece of code. So here program, it is also known as your piece of code. Why it is known as code? Because we know that computer is a machine language. It is your machine language. So it will understand only your code language. It is not going to understand our language, as it is your what? As it is a computer, and it will understand its own language. That is your machine language. For that reason it is using your codes. Okay, they are using your code. This program you can say it is built up with your code language that helps a computer to understand. Okay, that helps the computer to process, to give us the output of the program. Clear? It instructs a computer what to do and how to do it. As I have said to you, when you are inputting something, okay, when you are inputting in your keyboard, then it becomes what? It translates into your code language. It translates into your code language, so that the computer can understand the language and it will give you the output. Clear? Here you can say the processing, it depends upon totally on your code language, because here we the users, we are typing it. Okay, we are typing in your keyboard and it is taken by the computer, which is translated into your code language, and the computer gives us the output. Clear this much? A line in a program is called a statement, and every statement instructs a computer to do something. So here you can say that a line in a program is called a statement. Means whatever the line appears on the screen. Okay, whatever a programming line appears on the screen, that is known as your statement. Okay. Now for example, when I am writing on the blackboard, okay, what I am saying, what is this? Then you will say this is a sentence or this is a line, okay. But in computer, whenever you are typing and it is displayed on a screen as a simple line, you have to say this one as your statement. Okay, you have to say as your statement. Whatever line, okay, whatever line filled with your words, okay, it is displayed on the screen, that is known as your statement. Clear this much? And every statement instructs a computer to do something. As I have said to you, when you are typing in the keyboard, okay, that is what? You are inputting something. When you are typing on the keyboard, it means you are inputting the word, you are inputting the text, okay. Whatever means you are inputting in your keyboard, and when it is displayed on the screen, it is displaying on the screen, it means what? It is giving you the output of the program. Means whatever you are typing in the keyboard, okay, the functions are translated into your code language, so that the computer can understand, and in the processing it gives you the output. Clear this much, students? I think so, no doubt regarding this? I think so, no doubt? So, this basic was developed by whom? You can say the basic was developed by your Microsoft Small Basic or Microsoft Corporation. Okay, Microsoft Corporation is a company from where you can say that this basic was developed, or this Microsoft Small Basic has been developed. Then, what is the full form of basic? You can say the full form of basic is your beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay. Then what is basic? Basic is your programming language, which is very easy to understand and helps the user to use it very easily or comfortably. Clear? Then program. What do you mean by program? You can say a program is a set of instructions written for the computer to perform a particular task. Clear this much? Then when we are inputting something, inputting words, text, whatever, it is translated into a code language, so that the computer can give us the output of the program. Clear? In first paragraph, whatever I have said you, all are important. So you stored it nicely in your brains. Clear? No doubts regarding this? So this BASIC was developed by your Microsoft Corporation. Okay, it is a big company which was developed by this BASIC was developed by your Microsoft Corporation. Clear? No doubt. Now, how you are going to start this BASIC? So here you see basics or small BASIC. Once you have installed small BASIC on your system, you can start small BASIC by clicking Start, All Programs, Small BASIC, Microsoft Small BASIC. Now here, for starting off your BASIC, firstly what you are going to do? At down, okay, at below in the left hand side you will find a Start button, okay. In the left hand side you will find your Start button. In the Start button, when you are clicking the Start button, you will find All Program. You click on that All Program option. After when you are clicking the All Program, you will find Small BASIC option. Click that Small BASIC. After going to the Small BASIC, you will find your Microsoft Small BASIC option. You click it out. Then you will get your Small BASIC program. Clear? Or else there is another option. Double click the Small BASIC icon on the desktop. Now as you have installed the Small BASIC program in your computer, the icon is already there in your desktop. Shortcut way is that directly you go to your desktop, okay. In there you will find a shortcut icon of your Small BASIC. Double click it. You will find that the BASIC program has been displayed on your screen. Okay, it has been displayed on your screen. Clear this, my students? No doubt regarding this? BASIC, what do you mean by BASIC? Full form of BASIC. Then from where this BASIC was introduced or it was developed from which company? Then what do you mean by program? How can you start a BASIC? Is not it? I think so. No doubts regarding this. It is very easy. Everyone has understood. Yes or no? So students, how much I have explained you today, you go through your books very nicely. In my next class, I will explain you the rest part of this chapter. Clear? So students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day.